Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's crochet the lace. Let's crochet the project. I will begin from the foundation ring. For this, make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Well done. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then picot on the top of the last stitch, chain of 3 for the picot, and make a slip stitch into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Then I'm going to work with ring. Make 9 double crochet with picot. 1, make double crochet into the ring, and picot, chain of 3, and work with the slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet, like this. In total it should be 9. I have done the first one, 2, chain of 3, 3, 4, and picot, 5, and picot, 6, and picot, 7, and picot, 8, and picot, 9, and picot. Here what I have done. Let's stop and look at this point. I have done the half. Then I continue working on my lace. Let's move on. Make a chain of 10 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. The ring is ready. Here what I have. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the ring that I did before. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. Here what I have. I turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the ring. Make 9 double crochet with picot. 1, and picot. I'm going to do in the same way as I did in the first time. 2, 3, 4, Then you should continue working by yourself. In total, it should be 9 of them into the ring. Here what I have. You should continue working by yourself. In total, it should be 9 of them. Let's look at my lace. I have done 9 double crochet with picot. Let's look at another side. So now I continue working on my next segment. It is very easy to make. Make 10 chains for the chain space or for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Work with the slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Then chain of 3. To bring up the yarn, insert the hook into the previous ring. Make a slip stitch. Turn the work and crochet the double crochet with picot 9 times into the ring that I have finished before. Let's crochet them. 1, 9 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3. In total it should be 9 double crochet with picot. So continue working in this way till the end of this segment, and you should crochet as many segments as you like or as you need for your project. So my lace or lace tape is ready, and now I continue working on it, and now I show you how to crochet in 3D. I will work on this side here, work into the with this side and continue with the chain space or with the half of the ring. I continue working on my lace tape. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice, make treble crochet into the ring with picot. My stitch is ready, let's crochet the picot and make a slip stitch. In total it should be 9 of them. I'm done the first one. You should crochet 8 more. This is the treble crochet with picot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's look what I have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everything correct. Everything is correct. Let's count my stitches. Everything is fine. Continue 7, and picot. 8 and picot, and 9 and picot, make a chain. Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I am right. So I continue working with this part. So I'm going to work with 5 such stitches around this stitch. And I remind you, you should make chains between each stitch. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet. 1 2 3 and chain, 4 and chain, make a picot, and I will remove the knot. At this point I need to remove the knot. I have done 4 stitches with picots. I remove the knot so I can continue working on my lace tape chain and make the 5th one. Then you should make the 5th one with picot. Chain of 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch. Make a chain. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my ruffle is almost ready. Here how it looks at this point. So I'm working with this side. And I'm going to do 9 treble crochet with picots as I did here around this stitch. I will start and you will continue by yourself. As you can see, it is not difficult to crochet. Start from the 9, then 5 and 9 and so on. Make 9 treble crochet with picot. There is the chain stitch between treble crochet with picot. Make the first one. Chain 2, and chain. In total it should be 9 of them, then you should crochet 5 and 9 and so on. Let's stop at this point and let's look what I have done. Here are 9 treble crochet with picots. Then you should work with chain space 5, 9 and so on. Don't forget to make a chain between treble crochet with picot. So continue working in this way as many times as you need. Then I will show you how to complete this work together. My lace tape is almost ready and now I show you how to complete it. After I have done all my stitches, I did a chain. I remind you, I did treble crochet with picot 9 times or 5 times. So to complete this round, or work, make a slip stitch into the third chain stitch. Pull a little bit to secure the yarn by making a chain, and that's it. My lace tape is ready. If you would like to make jewelry, you should sew. If you would like to make a jewelry, you should sew accessories to the cord, and you will get amazing bracelet, necklace or belt. Also, you can put to the main pattern like an edging or trim. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Let's look at the back side. This is 3D lace tape cord. Also, you can crochet a trim for this one, or you can put beads to the center of this segment of this cord. Here how it looks on my hand. I remind you, for such kind of project could be used any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. It depends whatever you want and what you would like to get as a result. In my case, I used cotton yarn and crochet hook, and in this case I used variegated color yarn. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. Bye!